Thanks for joining me here at TruLuv Designs. I'm Tequila B. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Today's video will be a quick pattern haul of simplicity patterns that I picked up at my local Joann's for $1.99 each. So if you're interested in seeing what those are, stay tuned. So the first pattern that I picked up is Simplicity S8655. It's a Mimi G style pattern, and it is a high-waisted bell-bottom pant and a tie front. My favorite view is view A, the tie front top. I really like this version. I don't have anything in my wardrobe like it, so I think it would be a great addition. Pattern number 2 is Simplicity 8045 Mimi G style pattern. This is a knit dress, and my favorite view is view A, the long dress. I love the details of the top, and I'll also be making the shorter version, but first I'll be making view A. Another pattern that I picked up is Simplicity 1183. It is a women's corset, and it covers cup sizes A through double D. I actually did not select this pattern. My daughters picked this one out. It was something that they liked and requested that I make for them, so I will be making this as well. Pattern number 4 is Simplicity 1731. It's a teen and adult fleece jumpsuit. That's view A, and view B is a dog coat. Now, we don't have any pets around here, so I will not be making view B. We'll make view A. This again is another pattern that my daughters picked out. Next pattern is Simplicity S9330, another Mimi G style pattern. My favorite view is view B, the mini dress with the corset-like top. I like this one because I think it would be a great addition to my wardrobe for date night. And view A is a jumpsuit. Next, we have Simplicity S8830, another Mimi G style pattern, and this is a shirt dress. There's two views. View A is the long shirt dress, and view B is the shorter version. On view B, you can wear this with tights or jeans, and view A is the longer dress, which I'll be making simply because I don't have to wear tights or anything with it, and I think it'll be a good option for me to wear in the office. Simplicity S9385 is a knit top, more like sweater. I would probably use a sweater knit for this. My favorite view is view C. It has the cuffs, the long sleeves, and the turtleneck. And this would be good for me in the office because it stays pretty cold. So I just think this will keep me warm throughout the day. The next pattern that I picked up is a Mimi G style pattern, Simplicity. This pattern number is R11324. And if I'm understanding correctly, that's because it was a display pattern. I don't know if the regular pattern has a different number or if it's the same, but this is R11324. My favorite view is view B. It has a peplum bottom, and I love anything with a peplum. It does have a belt, as well as view A has a belt and buttons. My favorite view is view B, and this is what I'll be making. The next pattern is Simplicity 5443, and this is a scrubs and lab coat pattern. This is one that my oldest daughter picked out. She wants me to make the lab coat for her, and I plan to do so. The next pattern is Simplicity S9261. This is a dress by Mimi G style. Version A is a shorter version, and that's the version that I would like to make. View B is a longer version, and it has a kick pleat in the back. So for simplicity reasons, I'm just going to make view A and keep it short and simple. Last but not least is Simplicity 1064. This is a women's tunic pattern. This is another pattern that I also did not pick out. My daughters picked this one as well. I'm not sure which view is their favorite, but mine would be view C. It has the long sleeves and I like the V-neck. And it has a curved hem. And I think that's what I like most besides the sleeves about it. But I do plan to make that view for myself and then whatever view they liked. And that about wraps it up for the patterns that I picked up at Joann's. I would not have known about this pattern sale if it was not for Rochelle Handmade Designs. She does a great job at making videos and posting to her channel about the sales that are going on at Joann's. I often hear about this sale, but for some reason I never catch it. I never see it in their ads, and the staff seem to never know exactly when they're going to have another one. So thank you again to Rochelle Handmade Designs for keeping us up to date on those pattern sales. So if you like this video and you're interested in seeing more content like this, please comment, like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. That way you'll be notified anytime I post another video. Thank you for watching, and until then, I'll see you next time.